Alright, so here's how you factory reset a Toshiba Smart TV. So I'm gonna click on the home screen button, which is this one, and it will take us to this screen. So from here we want to scroll up, and then go to the right until we are over the settings button / menu. So click on OK. Now from here we want to scroll down until we go to general settings. Again, you want to press OK, which is this button, and then scroll down until you see factory settings. So if you select this option, if you click on OK, it will reset your TV. However, if you want to completely reinstall it and do like the equivalent of a factory reset, which we have on phones, to your TV, then you want to reinstall it. So you gotta click right here to reinstall TV. It will ask you to set it up from the start, so you gotta connect to your Wi-Fi again, so on and so forth. But I noticed that reinstalling the TV works better if we have some messed up settings. So factory settings does not fully fix it, but instead reinstalling the TV is probably your best bet. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.